Okay, you have now created a new ScreenFlow document. You've given it a name and you've saved it to the location of your choice. Now you're ready to make your first recording. This is how you're going to do it. Okay, so go ahead and open up whatever program you're using for your ScreenFlow project. It could be a keynote slide, it could be an application, it could be a web page, whatever it is you're demonstrating. I recommend you make it full screen because this will make it easy because you don't have to crop it later on. So just open up it full screen. Now you're ready to record. As you'll recall, one of the very first things we did in this course was change the hotkey to Control-Z. So now you're going to go ahead and click Control-Z. Now you're going to see that little window that says preparing to record. You'll get the countdown 2, 1, 0, and now you are recording. Start doing whatever it is you're going to do and start talking. When you want to end the recording, simply hit your hotkey again, Control-Z, to stop the recording. You're going to see a window pop up that says recording complete. You've got two choices, create a new document or add to document. Now, since we've already created the new document, you'll see it in this drop-down menu right here. And then go ahead and click the blue OK button. That's pretty much it. Your new recording, the audio file and the video file, will now appear in your media library, ready for you to insert it into your project. And that is how to start and stop a recording.